Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. These are the symptoms of this vehicle that we're gonna go ahead and fix. So as soon as we turn on the vehicle starts shaking everywhere. The dash, you could feel it here. You could feel it kind of here. It's kind of making a noise. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I can feel the engine right now. It's shaking like if it's hesitant. We're gonna go ahead and figure this out. Alright guys, so this is a 2005 Honda Civic. So as the motor shakes, I felt like it was hesitating, but it wasn't hesitating when you would put it on drive and you would drive it. It would drive very smooth, but as soon as you would go on a stoplight, it would start shaking. So the first thing I thought was, let's go ahead and do a tune-up. So I changed the spark plugs. Everything that needs to be done for a tune-up, I went ahead and changed it. Still didn't solve the problem. The idle is perfect, so that's not going to be an issue in regards to the tune-up. So I did diagnose around it. I did check it out, and I did find this motor mount. This motor mount right here is gone. So this motor mount is just busted. There was a piece of rubber just hanging right here. So this is the cause of it shaking. So it's not stable, it's not mounted right. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that motor mount and then see what happens after. Alright guys, so upon removing the motor mount, if you can see here, this is what was going on. See how it's all broken there? So I went ahead and put the new motor mount. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, see what happens.